Hello, welcome back to JollyLife, and today for one of our cooking episodes we're going to be baking cookies. Now this is it's like classic type of cookies, chocolate chip. So let's start first of all by putting the sugar in the bowl. Make sure to get it all. Then we put 1 teaspoon of salt, okay, and then we pour the melted butter in, and we mix. Use a regular tablespoon and combine all the ingredients. Okay, we will now crack our egg. Do it on a flat surface, quite strong, and use 2 fingers. Make sure no eggshells are going in there. Now time to add our vanilla. We have from Jamaica vanilla extract pure. So you can do about half a tablespoon, not too much. Okay, now it's coming together as a bit of a sludge, maybe a thick syrup, maybe what it's close as. I think you should start now adding the flour. Okay, now time to add the flour. Because this is quite a large cup mug. This is about 1 1/4 cups. So whatever cups you've got at home, that will do. Okay, and add a teaspoon of baking powder to help the biscuits rise. Now you mix the ingredients. Okay, now I think we're coming to an end with the mixing. Now time for the ingredient that will make this cookie its name, the chocolate chips. We have about, I like, for when it comes to baking, the dark chocolate more than milk chocolate, so I have increased the ratio, and the proportion is a bit unbalanced. I think there's about 3 ounces dark chocolate and about 2 ounces of milk chocolate. Then again, if you think that this is too little chocolate, you can modify the recipe, but this is personally how I like it. Okay, now just combine all the chips together. Okay, now I think it's ready. once you've mixed for about a minute or two, I think it's well combined. So I think we should put these into the tray and start baking. So just get all the remainder dough. Okay, now we get this tray. We could have used baking paper, but we have this handy thing from Amazon that we will use instead. So you get about a handful. Make sure, I haven't put much chocolate in here, make sure you get a fair amount in, and spread the dough balls evenly. So I have decided to put 2 per row because once they have they're in the oven, they will spread out and flatten out. So and they'll go outside the baking tray. That's why you need to leave considerable amount of space between them. That's why I have spread them out. Okay, now the first batch is ready. We will now put them in the oven. Okay, now for about 12 to 15 minutes, maybe even more, they will be ready. Okay, now about 16 minutes have passed, and by the looks of it, I think the cookies are ready. Okay, so the cookies are now ready, and time to make another batch. As you can see now, the first batch is ready for eating, and now the second batch is ready for baking. Okay, now as the second batch is cooking, time to make myself an espresso. For the coffee, I only use the best beans, Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee, and as for the beans, I always like them freshly ground, like this. And now to start making the coffee. Okay, now I have leveled my coffee beans. Now, time to put them in the machine. Okay. Reset. Time to make the coffee. And this is the way I like to personally enjoy my homemade traditional chocolate chip biscuits. Thank you.